Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a blog to a Squarespace website. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. On this page, click on this website button below the website you want to add a blog on. Go to Pages, and next to Main Navigation, click on this plus icon and select blog from this list. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Select your blog page template from this list. Let's go with this template. You can give your blog a name, for example, my blog. Hit enter on your keyboard, and now your blog is added to your Squarespace website. To add content on your blog, click on blog content, and these are your pre-written blog posts. And to add a new blog post, click on this plus icon. Then you can write your own or your new blog post. Write your blog title here, then start writing your blog post content. Make sure to publish your article from here. As you can see, your blog post is live. Click on done. And to visit your blog, click on back. Click again on website. And from here, you can click on this little arrow in order to go into the preview mode. Now, this is my blog page. This is the blog article I just wrote. And this is the one was written for me. And this is how to add a blog to a Squarespace website. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.